everybody, it's Danica on the coast. I am coming to you from Waterscape today. I want to show you around one of my condos. You can find me on the web at rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon. Let's go have a look. I'm here today to show you this condo, A104. This is a ground level unit, only 2 doors from the beach. It has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it has a bunk room. It sleeps a maximum of 8 people. I can't wait to show you around, so come on inside. When you come into this unit, you first come to this beautiful kitchen. We have recently done a kitchen remodel in here, cutting our bar down and installing this beautiful piece of granite here. And we have new kitchen cabinets and a new stove. Our stove is a convection oven, and it also has an air fryer. So that's a little benefit that comes in this kitchen. We stock our kitchens really well. We have everything that you need to cook for your family and friends. We have both a Keurig and a regular coffee pot, and we have all the appliances that you need, like a crock pot and a waffle maker and just all the extras that you don't always find in the condos. We have both glass and plastic dishes, and the reason that we do is because you might want to grill down at the pool with your family and friends, and glass is not allowed on our pool deck, so you can just grab our plastic dishes and head on out and enjoy dinner with your family. We have lots of gadgets, lots of spoons and spatulas, and we have a mixer and a blender. We really have everything that you need. All the pots and pans are here. We have Teflon skillets, and we try to keep those in good condition for you. When they get scratched, we throw them out and get new. We have cutting boards, and our bullers and stuff are under here. Under the sink, we have a toolbox. So if something breaks and you're able to fix it, you can. You're also welcome to call me and I'll fix it for you. Here we have our front load washer and dryer. So you can do all your laundry while you're here, which is a great perk. You don't have to pack as much clothes. In this closet, we have a broom and a vacuum and our air conditioner closet. This is our bunk room, and we do have a door on the bunk room. Waterscape units did not originally come with doors, so any unit that has a door, we have put that in after the fact, and that makes it nice and cozy in here so that your kids can sleep soundly. This is our dining area here, and we also have 3 stools under the new bar that we have so that you can hang out right here and cook breakfast or chit chat with your family and friends while you cook. This is our half bath, so the people staying in the bunk room have access to a bathroom as well. This is our master bedroom. And as I mentioned to you, this is a ground level condo, and we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you around a little more. But you can step right off of your, right out of your bedroom onto the patio here and enjoy your morning coffee. You can just come in and out without having to go through the living room, and you can just sneak out so you don't wake up everybody. This is a king size bed. And inside our closet, we have our linens for the sofa bed. We have a pack and play and a high chair. So if you have infants, they will be comfortable here as well. We also have 2 chairs and an umbrella in the condo. We do subscribe to beach service. Beach service is also 2 chairs and an umbrella, but that is set up for you on the beach every day. So you go down there and tell them your unit number, and they will see that I have paid for that on your behalf, and you will have access to the 2 chairs and the umbrella. But we keep 2 additional chairs in the unit because we realize that most people travel with more than 2 people, so you will have 2 extra chairs to sit beside your other chairs. We also have a red wagon, so you can throw all your things into the wagon and haul it down to the beach. Everything is nice and easy for you. Oh, I forgot. We also have paddleboarding and kayaking as part of our beach service. So you get a kayak or a paddleboard for 1 hour every day of your stay. And again, you just tell the beach service guys that you're in this unit A104, and they will see that I've already paid for that for you, and you can go out and kayak and look for dolphins or sea turtles and have the time of your life. This is our master bath, where we have a double vanity, of course a toilet, a large garden tub, and a very nice size walk-in shower. This is our guest bedroom where we have a king size bed. We have smart TVs in both bedrooms, and this does have access to the patio as well. And then we have a bathroom for this bedroom as well. This one is a single vanity, another nice size walk-in shower, and a large garden tub. So I know you really didn't come on tour to see bedrooms. Let's check out the view. Ta-da! So we are in our slow season right now, so it is very quiet today, but normally we would have a little waterfall coming off of this rock right here. This is our lazy river. You're literally steps from it. You can access the pool deck just around this corner and through the gate, or you can walk back up just a little bit and there is another gate. So your kids cannot, accidentally fall off into the lazy river because there is a gate around our entire pool deck. You would normally hear the waterfall, and the waterfalls, you can ask for them to be turned on anytime, but they pretty much run from March through the end of November, and then in the wintertime when someone asks. So I'm mentioning this because probably when you're here, the waterfalls will be on and you will hear it, and the sound is very soothing. It just makes a very relaxing mode here on the patio. So we do have seating for 4 people. This is a nice Pollywood set. And then we have a deck box over here, which is full of toys for your kids. We have some boogie boards, things in the deck box, including the boogie boards. They come and go. They mostly come. We usually throw away, but sometimes the boogie boards break. So I don't ever guarantee what's in the deck box, but often there's plenty of toys for you to enjoy. And then we have our 2 patio loungers. This unit, we are in the shade right now. It is about 11:30. We're also in the wintertime, so as the summertime comes, the time that you would have sun on the patio increases and gets earlier in the morning. But at any rate, this patio gets afternoon sun. So you're going to have sun from usually about 10 in the morning until in the evening, probably 6 o'clock. So you will have shade in the morning and then afternoon sun. Thank you so much for coming on tour with me today. I'm Danica on the Coast. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.